Got it.
Yes.
You got this.
It was wet, it was wild, it's winter, whatever, we're still out there, let's go.
Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down.
So we're at Lano at the moment. We're gonna shoot our bit up to Wedge. We did just get bogged down on the beach. So soft. So I'm scared that as soon as we head off to Wedge, probably go north, because the south is pretty bad. That's what I just read on online. So we'll try and go up north and north of Wedge and see how bad it is. I don't really want to get bogged again. But we'll see how it goes.
Okay, so yeah, welcome back to Venture Brothers episode 3. Oh, is episode 3?
I think so. There's like so many of them now.
Who knows?
So
actually, last episode the girls took over. I don't think that really counts.
they did actually. So the girls took over because we got the new mics. They went to Bali and they had a bit of fun. I think it was pretty cool. They had a bit of laugh.
Yeah, I had a bit of a laugh watching that video actually.
I did as well. Yeah.
And actually, I got some advice yesterday
From
some friends.
Oh.
And I don't know how they found out about this.
Okay.
Got some advice. They said, the music. I thought the music was a little bit too hard. I was like, it's kind of like our music, isn't it?
I think that the music goes with the videos.
Yeah, that's true.
So
Just like camping along
Yeah.
picturesque beaches and then filthy drops behind.
But in saying that, I have someone else who said the trailer that we just put out, the music didn't go with it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
okay.
So I don't know. It's a you can't really win. So you can't really please anyone and everyone. So it's all about.
It's what we want, really.
What we want as well. So we're just putting what we love.
Yeah.
And we're just showcasing what we love and what we're all about. So
yeah, I don't know if I could. I know what they mean. Like, try and target the more mainstream audience and everything. Sure. But man, I just love those big filthy drops.
I think it's better. It goes well with the drone shots. Zoom in, zoom out, and the beach, full driving, and
just
going. That's all the beats that we need.
It's pretty much like our own soundtrack going in our head as we're doing this.
Correct.
Oh, you know what else happened? Man, this was embarrassing. You know how you drove me into work the other day?
Yes.
Yeah, and I went in to grab some stuff.
Correct.
Well, the students saw me jump into your car and they saw the stickers and stuff. So when I got back to work, they were making all these jokes, and they kept on saying, "Sir, what's that behind you?" Because on the latest video, I was like, "What's that behind us, Theo?" Oh, and I couldn't figure anything out. Hey, I don't know what they were talking about. I kept on like, "What the f*** are they talking about?"
Oh God.
And then one of them finally said it, and I was just like,
Anyway, subscribe.
So yeah, I had to deal with that, but that was alright.
Was it right? I don't think so. It's not a bad thing. I think.
Got a few extra subscribers anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, soon it will spread like wildflower.
Yeah, exactly.
Wildflowers. We saw some wildflowers out there.
So beautiful, man. So beautiful. So that was our last camping trek that we did.
Yeah.
That's
going to be a couple more videos later.
That's not going to come out until probably a month or so.
Yeah.
But about this video, we went up.
Dunes. Tell me about it.
Went up the dunes. Again, it's just a spontaneous trip. Decided Jody and I just to do a trip and pack the things, get a few shots up there. Mm-hmm. Pack the drone, pack the GoPro, and off we went. So it was good. Yeah,
and it was winter time as well, which we mentioned.
It was winter time. We had a beautiful day though. I think it was one of those 25, 27 degree winter day. Yeah. And that we get in Australia, in Perth, WA, to be honest. In the
middle of winter.
We're very lucky to have that all the time. Mm-hmm. And we packed everything and we went, had a beach camp and And then from there, we went up to Sandy Cape. It was
Nice.
pretty good. Yeah.
Catch any fish?
No, we didn't bring any rod.
No, I didn't bother.
We just wanted to like spend the day by the beach, cooking up a good campfire meal.
Anyway, the next little, what do we got in the next little shots? I think we just got you and Jody hanging around on that beautiful sunny day.
Correct. Yeah.
With the beast, bring a few on. The commander and the chief, all my crew on. Bullets rattling and whistle at your toque. Never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop. This a war zone. This a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. The impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked. You're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back. Your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey, you been whacked. I kill 'em all, feel the motherfucking impact.
And also don't forget, you know, doesn't matter if it's windy, rainy, or whatever, just pack your things and just go. Just explore.
Get out there.
Get out there, exactly. Yeah. Get out there. Just you do you, you know. Just make your own happiness, create it, and boom, that's what we got.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. You. Okay.
Done.
Easy.
Yeah.
Stop.